Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Sorkar Jela bakmi ikatat boarding hakar pulai turut kelaling kot arajar pausan. Ulang bakam don kenugu-nugu Jingthmu negaliang jangka Sorkar ban Aiti no Riewshimet bikin penyat ya kami gelai Energy Corporation Limited. Kani ka jimpin syarj menteri kalong hadir bikin noilam jangka khun nyotrap National Awakening Movement kalaya kenduk markhmat menteri ban panjing pensyai halor kadi kaman. Haka biadai bagi jing sami ke smart meter umandal ulang bakani kadai garai jangka Sorkar pedeng bagi Ministry of Power beberok ke jela hapok ke India kin penteri kamno ya kani ke project.
Actually, yes, they have come and met me, and we have a fruitful discussions. Whatever queries they have asked, I try to give the clarification on that. As for privatization of MECL, as of now, nothing is there like that we are going to privatize MECL. We are working to see that MECL comes over all the difficulties that it is facing. Its financial position is better as per the consumer related issues on distribution, transmission and generation also is energized, so that MECL is in a better position. Of course, earlier 4 subdivisions were given to 2 franchisees. One is Chai Computers, which is looking after Dalu, and Fatco, which is looking after Fulbari, Nangal and Moshenram. As of now, the performance of Sai Computers is very good. They don't have dues and all these things, but we are a little bit worried and annoyed as far Fatco is concerned, because the dues are pending. We have given show cause notice to the extent of taking illegal action against them and maybe terminating them. All these things are going on, but this is only for collection of bills and all these things. That is the thing. As per consumer rights, yes, there are some sections which want that there should be compensation and all these things, but recently we are doing very well, so I think that will take care of that. And third thing, regarding smart meter. See, this is the mandate of the union government or Ministry of Power to provide a smart meter to every streets, and all streets are going ahead with the project. So also we are also following the directives of the power department.
But how come this 4-5 months they are releasing the bills 6 months at one go?
Yeah, there may be this issue has been brought to my notice. I'll look after. I don't know actually which areas it is there, but even they have asked me also that same thing. I told that okay, you can give me the details so that I can look into it.
You are saying this smart meters procurement is also very costly for poor people.
Yeah, that is true. But even we raised this issue in the National Conference of Power Ministers, that the rate which has been given by union government is much lower than the discovered rate. And not only once, we have gone for twice as far the tender bidding is concerned. And both the times the rate came higher. And we have written to the concerned nodal agency from the government of India, and they told us to go ahead. We are in touch with AG also, so we'll be writing to government of India to go ahead or not on that basis, and accordingly we will see.